This is one of our featured products. It is a DAKE Johnson 16-inch throat bandsaw. It is 1 horsepower, 3-phase, 230 volt. It can be run on 460 volt though also. And we pulled the cover off so we can hook it up to show you that it does run. It had a few small issues with a bent bracket here in the back. We kind of bent it back. The motor does wobble a little bit. I don't know if there's any other adjustment parts on this motor. There may be or may not. We don't know. But as we said, it does run. It's a little noisy, but it's an overall very good condition. It doesn't appear to be used in any way, shape, or form. There's no metal shavings on it. There's no signs of wear on the blade. It's got some cosmetic rust on here, on some of the deck here. A few little cosmetic scratches, some paint scratches. Not a big deal. Very, very nice machine. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Turn the power on first, that would help. As you can see, the motor does shudder a little bit. Might be a slight adjustment to be made, I don't know. This does have a hydraulic down feed control. So as you can see, it's moving down. As it moves into the closed position, the unit shuts off. And there you have it. This is a DAKE Johnson bandsaw. And we thank you for looking at our product.